In this section of grammar, we are going to learn to use 3 different types of past tenses. The first one, the past perfect continuous. We use this to describe an action that started in the past and continued up until a time in the past, but is now finished. We form this by using had been plus the verb plus ing. The example, I had been working in Scotland for 5 years before I moved to London. What was the action that had started in the past? They had been working, it had continued, and now it was finished. That action of working in Scotland is now complete. The past perfect. We use this to describe an action that started in the past and finished in the past before something else happened. And we form this by using had and the past participle. For example, he had left the office before I arrived in the morning. What was the action that had started in the past and was finished? That he had left the office. He'd gone from the office. And the action that happened afterwards was that someone arrived in the morning. He had left the office, he'd gone before I arrived in the morning. Another example, she had left her home before her mum came to visit. The action that had started in the past and was finished was that she had left her home. And the second action, something else that happened, her mum came to visit. And finally, the past continuous. This is used when an action has started and finished after another action, to show that something continued for a period of time, to say something happened again and again, or to show change or growth. And we form this by using the past tense of to be plus the verb plus ing. This example, my sister was cooking dinner when I came home. So this is showing this is an action that is continuing or was continuing in the past. 2 things were happening. My sister was cooking dinner. The second action, when I came home, the 2 things happened at the same time. Another example of the past continuous, I was reading a book all last summer. So this is to show that something continued for a period of time. What continued? Reading a book. The period of time for summer. And that's how we use the different past tenses.